Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on the Twitch application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on settings. Tap on security and privacy and click on two-factor authentication, which is the third option. Tap on enable 2FA, which is the abbreviation of two-factor authentication. It's an extra layer of security for your account. In addition to using your username and password, you'll enter a security code sent to you as a text message. For this, you need to type in your phone number, and then you will get a 7-digit security code to verify your phone, and then you will be able to log in by using this code. So as you can see, as it's written in the text, once enabled, you will be logged out of all other devices except this one for security. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.